Sony introduces new FX2 compact camera. The new camera has the look of cinema line cameras with the ability to shoot high-resolution photos and comes with an articulating eyepiece. The FX2 has a full-frame sensor that delivers great image and beautiful bokeh effects, like all other cinema line cameras. The new camera is equipped with effective 33-megapixel back-illuminated XMR sensor, and with up to 15 stops of wide latitude and captures nice details in highlights and shadows. The camera is equipped with dual base ISO for S-Log3 of 804,000, enabling optimal image quality across varied lighting conditions. The FX2 ISO sensitivity for video can be expanded up to 102,400, making it ideal for low-light environments. The camera also supports multiple recording formats for flexible post-production workflows and records in 422 10-bit and supports formats like XAVC 4K at 24p. The FX2 has strong internal cooling fan that can provide up to 13 hours of continuous recording in 4K 60p. The camera also offers variable frame rate settings, allowing up to 60 frames per second in 4K up to 120 frames per second in Full HD. It supports log shooting in flexible ISO modes, Cine EI Quick, Cine EI, and offering different workflows for different production needs. The camera can import up to 16 LUTs for on-camera preview for video, enabling detailed color monitoring on set. The FX2 also offers smooth operation with a movie and still mode lever, allowing for a quick switchover between still and movie shooting. The camera features a new high-resolution 3.7 million tiltable electronic viewfinder, which comes with a viewing angle optimized for video production and is bundled with a deep eyepiece. It also includes a vari-angle 3-inch type touchscreen LCD. The controls are placed on the top panel and around the grip, with lamps for recording indication. The camera offers connectivity options, including an HDMI type, a terminal capable of outputting up to 4K 60p 422 10-bit video and 16-bit RAW for high-end recording and monitoring. The USB Type-C port enables super-speed USB 10 GB per second data transfers. Retail price for body only will be around €3,200. If you would like to watch more interesting videos like this, please subscribe.